see. I need to open up my quiz. Where is it?
Okay, so let's open this thing then. Lesson 19, right?
Yep.
Okay. So I went over the lesson and it didn't seem that hardcore. And
Yeah.
but they've been putting, like, throwing things from the past lessons. And I'm like, come on. I mean, guys, I know you, come on, give us a break. But I mean, I guess that's how school is. So,
Yeah.
so okay,
Okay.
we need to the chiropractor thing.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, for question number 3. Okay, let me see. It says a public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters. Respondents were classified by gender, female or male, and by voting preference, Republican, Democrat, or Independent. The results are presented here. In this set of questions, we will explore the research question: Do men's voting preference differ significantly from women's voting preferences? Use a level of significance of 0.05. So which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
I think it's the last one. The third one.
Yeah, the last one.
Yeah. Okay, and the equation for computing the degrees of freedom is, I think it's a minus.
I think it's number of rows minus 1 times number.
The third one.
Yeah, the third one.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to put let's put the numbers.
Oh, stick them into
the thing, so we don't have to do like that.
Let's see here.
Okay. The degrees of freedom that I get is 2.
I have 4. Oh, oops, hold on. I think I put in a total. Okay, yeah, I got 2.
Okay. Yes.
And yes, because there are at least 5 expected counts.
In each cell, yeah.
It's expected, right? It's not observed. Pretty sure.
Yes.
Okay. What's the value of that? Did you get 16.204
For the x,
x squared?
the 16.204.
20.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then the p-value 0.000.
Let me see. I get 0, 0. Yes, yes, yeah, 0, 0, 0 because it's actually 0,
Is
0,
that
0,
yeah
0.
on the end?
Yeah, a 3. I get a 3 at the
Yeah.
end. Mhm.
Okay. So it's low. Let's see, so it's reject and sufficient. I think it's are not. It should be sufficient and are not independent. So the first one, I think. Do you agree?
There is sufficient evidence to suggest that are not independent.
Yeah, because that's the alternative.
Okay. Okay, let me see. The null is they are independent, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they're not. Yeah.
Okay. They said these are all in. I wonder if we can copy and paste to here from that spreadsheet.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, oh wait, but they're already organized. I might just copy the table actually.
Okay.
They're already organized. Okay, let's see here.
No, I cannot think it.
Oops. Okay, did you get all yours in?
I'm almost done. Yeah, I got them all now.
Okay. So 10 should be true, right? Because there's all more than 5.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And
Degrees
then
of freedom. I get 8.
yep, that's what I got. The value, did you get 7.436?
No, I get 8.261.
Hope one of us was wrong.
Okay, let's see.
Hmm.
Okay, I'll go over my numbers.
Yeah, I'm gonna look too.
What did you get, you said?
I had 7.
436?
Yeah, for the test
Yeah.
statistic.
Yeah, I screwed up when I was putting the numbers in.
Wait, did you?
Yeah,
You did what?
I screwed up, so
Oh, okay.
I
So
did it
that,
again. So
well, I'm
it's
glad you found something instead of having to redo it.
no. It's 7.436.
436, yeah.
Okay. At least we caught it. Otherwise, it wouldn't be like
Right.
the p-value is
0.490.
yeah. So
And then the outcome, so it's
there is
still
insufficient.
less. Yeah, it's still. I think it's the third one.
No, wait. I thought it was there is insufficient.
Well, isn't 0.49 lower than? Oh, it's higher. Sorry.
Yeah.
So insufficient that it's not. Yeah. So the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Let me submit. I'll take that one
Okay.
for the team today.
Okay. I'm
Yeah,
pretty sure we
just
symbol.
because I'm a fan of your nose.
You what?
Just because I made fun of your nose.
Look at my nose. I know it's so big. Sticks out.
No, it's not big. It's like it's red.
It's very red.
Yeah, we got 100. Yeah.
Good. Well, good. We have a little bit of time. Maybe we can work on
Yeah.
that.
So you wanna type?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not a fast typer. No, seriously, I'm not making this up.
I pulled up the okay, good. Okay, I can't right now. I have to be on the computer. Shut the door, Kate. Where's that paper? Okay, so why can't I read this? I need to. Edit. Okay. Okay, so what's our research question gonna be?
The number of big and small dog owners in like Washington D.C. and Rexburg, Idaho.
We are, so we're trying to determine if the number of, did you say dog owners or big dog owners?
Yeah, big dog owners in Rexburg and in the Washington D.C. Okay, that's just we're gonna choose just one type of dog because
So what kind of dog?
like big, like a large size.
I know, should we specify?
Oh, I mean, if we specify, then it's gonna be like, I mean, there are so many, you know. I was the reason why I chose large dogs because there is like a lap dog, there is like a medium, and then large, and and I thought it is because like in the city like DC, there is not much room for large dogs, you know. Most people have like smaller dogs, like Chihuahuas and all those.
Yeah. So we're trying to determine if the number of large dog owners in Washington, D.C. is different.
Or equal to the ones in like Redwood, Idaho.
For Arizona.
Yeah, how okay, Arizona, you know.
From
So equal, should we type equal or lesser?
I was just saying different.
Different, okay, different, okay, that's fine.
Okay, so the population we are studying. So large dog owners in Washington and Arizona?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. What's our experimental unit?
Experimental unit.
Smallest entity from which you're. I don't know.
What's experimental unit? Can you remind me? Because I'm like,
What?
what's the experimental unit?
It says, what's the smallest entity from which you are collecting a single piece of data to be used for analysis?
Oh, maybe like the smallest would be like
The
like
dog? Or the.
like a block of this, a block of the city, maybe. Or maybe the breed of the dog.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think because we're talking about dogs, I would say like the breed of the dog.
Okay.
So maybe like a.
We didn't specify the breed of the dog, so.
So maybe by weight then.
Or do we want? Wonder if like inches or height or something.
Yeah, that can be too. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just. What's your response variable? Before we had the amount of each color of Skittles in each bag. So maybe the amount of large dogs in each. Should I put? Do we need to make it a city in Arizona? Because Washington D.C. is like a city.
It is a city. Yeah, you can choose like where you at.
Okay, I'll just say Gilbert.
Yeah.
That's where I live. In each city. Is your response variable quantitative or categorical? So we're doing quantitative.
Yeah, quantitative, because we're talking about the number of dogs, not the height or weight. Was it?
Okay, so we want to do ANOVA still. The last time we were going to do ANOVA, weren't we?
Yeah. I think this is like gonna be like a independent.
Oh, two samples independent. Okay.
I think it sounds like it.
So that's not ANOVA then.
No, that's not a NOVA, because we're talking just those cities.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. The NOVA, I thought, because I thought we were gonna do like the small in, like a small and big in DC and a small and big in Gilbert, but since we're just using one type, like the big dogs, so it will be just independent.
Should we do that? Or would you rather do that, or
It's up to you.
maybe we can send this to Jordan and see what maybe she has any feedback.
Okay.
Let's see. This isn't gonna let me save this. Okay. Okay, what are your null and alternative hypotheses? So
The null, you said that the number is equal, and the null is equal and the alternative not equal.
so we need to do like mu dogs.
The
Uh,
big dogs in DC equal.
I'll do DC dogs
Mm-hmm.
is equal to
Gilbert.
equal to Gilbert dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what's the alternative is
They're not different.
So, hold on. Okay. No, I don't. No, I couldn't find mine.
Oh, yeah, we are confused.
Hey, shut the door, bud. Sure. Okay. Trying to do all these subscripts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, dang it. That's not equal. How do we do not equal? Was there a symbol for that?
Yeah, but I have a Mac, so I have no idea how to do it now.
Not equal. Oh wait, I think here we go. Insert. Okay, close. Okay. Okay, so design this sample. Which sampling method will you use? I put, before we said we'll use simple random sample. That's kind of what we're going to do, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we have,
Unless Jordan has a different idea, because then we can go back to ANOVA. But so far, I mean, like, I just
okay. No, I don't want to have to do a survey. Then we have to get approved and stuff. Okay, so how are we going to do this? We have to describe in detail how our group will collect data using the sampling method.
well, I mean, I work in DC, so I can just walk around.
Just ask people.
Yeah.
Well, does that mean a survey? Like, does that, so do we have to take a survey?
I don't know. Like, I feel like this stuff. I mean, for since we're not in the same city, this is. But I mean, like I said, I can walk around go early and see how many people like walk with their dogs in the
Could
morning.
we just ask people on Facebook?
We can do well. If there are not, I don't know how many people from DC there are in the.
Well, do you have a lot of friends from DC on Facebook? Or yeah, I guess you can just walk around.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can. I have a lot of friends who have like a small. I mean, some dogs who have a small dogs. Because I mean, their apartment is I mean, too small,
So, so what are you planning on doing? Just walking around the city and asking people?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
While I eat my Skittles.
Oh, that's right. You bought them already.
Yeah.
We will, okay, just walk around.
I mean, if Jordan wants to do that, like with in Rexburg, then we can use the ANOVA that one.
Oh yeah, that's an idea. Should we do that? And she can do 3 or more sample ANOVA.
Mm-hmm.
Should we switch it to that?
Yeah, I mean, but we need to tell her.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
We'll send her that.
Yeah, then let's do it then.
Okay. Okay. So we will walk around 3 cities. and ask people what size dog they have.
Mm-hmm. If they have any, of course, you know.
Yeah, if they have any. What sample size? At least 30.
Mm-hmm.
Per population. Okay, if they have any, and record it. City. So do we need to, do you think we have to go to like 3 different, well, they're the specific city, so as long as you stay in, okay. So I need to make this equal, oh no. So yeah, they shoot, need to fix that. So we're changing the null, they're all equal to each other, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then sorry, I'm trying to do these at the same time. Let's see. So we'll do Rexburg. Rexburg dogs, and then not equal here. Okay, so it's equal, 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 and then not equal, not equal, not equal. What else do I need to chant? So Washington, D.C., Gilbert, Arizona. Rexburg, Idaho. Okay. So this is what I have. We're supposed to have specific detail. We'll walk around these 3 cities and ask people what size dog they have, if they have any, and record it per city the results.
Mm-hmm. Do we have to? Do we? Okay, so in this ANOVA, do we have to actually have like a total of people that we ask? No, right? It's just that we ask people and like 55 told me yes and 52 and that's it, right? Or let's say like I asked 90 people and 53 say yes. Do we have do we have to say that too, or just the number of people who had?
Do we want? Yeah, we need at least 30 that will say yes.
Mm-hmm.
Or well, that doesn't show. I don't know. Let's see. We're just trying to find the difference.
Okay.
No,
so
don't need at least. I don't think they all have to say yes.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
We're trying to find the difference between them.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So we're going to discuss why it's in alignment with the requirements. Please review the requirements in the text for your chosen method from step 6. So this is it's in alignment with the requirements. Okay, what's step 6? Oh, for the ANOVA. So what requirements do we need for ANOVA? Because It'll be a random sample.
Just random. They need to be at least 30. Yeah, because I could be like, yeah, they're normally distributed, but then the brother Bennett is not going to buy that.
Yeah. Anything else? Is there another requirement for ANOVA?
Let me see. Okay, let me see. I'm opening it. He says that the data are normally distributed in each group. We can check this in the QQ plot for each group. The variances are equal for each group.
Variances?
Yeah.
Yeah,
if the largest variances is less than or or if the large variances is less than or equal to 4 times the smaller variances, then we will conclude that the variances are equal.
That's for ANOVA?
Yeah.
How are we going to do that?
Let me see. I'm looking at this. Yeah, I think.
We might. So, are we considering this a survey? Are we going to have to get approval for this?
Approval from who?
If we do a survey, we're supposed to get approval for that. From the. But we didn't do that last time.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. No, I need to email him.
Okay.
Or we need to ask him if this is this considered a survey? Or if we can just ask people.
Yeah. If not, we can we can just, like I said, I can go to like dog parks. I don't have to actually like ask people, you know. There are so many dog parks in my neighborhood.
Oh yeah, we could go to dog parks.
Mm-hmm. So, well, what got me worried is about the variances thing.
Yeah,
So,
what did you say?
yeah, because the smallest one has to be larger than the one. So that means that I'm kind of confused. If we do the ANOVA, we're gonna have to like also fulfill this requirement.
Let's see.
It's on 3.2. I mean, if you open the ANOVA lesson.
I just Googled it real quick.
Okay.
But maybe I should go to randomness, normality, homogeneity of variance. Let's see. What's the variance?
Like the data, the numbers.
Yeah, I just don't remember what. So 3.2. The largest variance is less than or equal to 4 times the smallest, so we'll conclude. Variance is the square of the standard deviation. Well, how do we know that?
Mhm.
I don't know. I guess we'll just have to see.
Mhm.
I don't know how to guarantee that that's going to happen, you know?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking too.
We'll just, I don't know. I'm just going to leave it like this and see if he says anything, I guess.
Hmm. Yeah, he's very observant, observant. He's gonna be like, how are you gonna meet this? If his objects, he asks that question, then we can just use the pair data one.
Yeah.
Because for the pair data, I don't think we need to. Let me see, independent samples. Where is that? The requirements. Yeah, it's a simple random sample was drawn from each of the populations, and X is normally distributed for each group. That's all we need for this, for the independent ones.
Independent.
Yeah.
So are you saying we should do that one?
Yeah, I mean, just in case he says, I mean, we need to have like a plan B, you know what I mean?
Wait, the 2 samples independent?
Yeah, huh?
Oh, okay. In case, so,
Mm-hmm.
okay. I just don't know about the survey thing. If we have to do a survey.
No, if he says, how are you gonna do this? We just tell people, we actually just write right now, just type right now that we're gonna go to dog parks. We're not gonna ask. We're just gonna observe. See how many dogs we can count.
2 dog parks. Yeah.
I have a feeling that he's gonna. If we say like, let's say he says,
But
yeah,
talking about the survey thing, if we have to like get approval before we can even do it.
yeah, and then he's like, okay, and then you can do it, but now give me the names or like emails of the people that you ask, and I'm gonna be like, dude, you're asking for more information that for this project.
What did you say?
No, like he might be like, okay, if you're gonna do a survey, I want like a list of all the names of the people that you've asked and blah 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 blah, blah. And then there's gonna be more work.
Okay.
You know.
So we'll just leave it like this.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta go in a sec.
Yeah, yes, no problem.
Okay. Well, I'll send this to Jordan and see if she wants to add anything, and then turn it in, and we'll see what he says.
Mhm. Just in case, mention the ANOVA thing and how she can like adjust this thing to make it ANOVA. If not, we will just go with the independent. Okay.
Okay. Sorry, you're breaking up a little.
Yeah. I thought it was you, but I think it's me. Okay. So I'll see you. You say you want to meet on Monday night, maybe?
Maybe, yeah. It should be okay. What
Okay.
time is good for you then?
Like 10 p.m.
Do 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Send an email and remind me. I'll ask her about that. If you
Okay.
think you remember to. Okay.
Okay, I will.
All right, cool.
Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you Monday.
All right.
Have a
Yeah.
good weekend. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.